Every day, an average American throws away 4.4 pounds of trash. Each year, nations generate 1.3 billion tons of waste. Yet, more than half the world's population does not have access to regular trash collection. The United States, China, Brazil, Japan, and Germany are the leading trash generators, and the United Nations Environment Program predicts the amount of waste will probably double in lower-income African and Asian cities as a result of population growth, urbanization, and rising consumption. The global trash problem creates numerous threats to the environment, health, and safety. Improper garbage disposal contributes to devastating epidemics of mosquito-borne malaria, yellow fever, and other potentially fatal diseases. In less developed nations, people scavenge through landfills for food and recyclable materials, exposing themselves to hazards such as lead, mercury, and infectious agents. Leachate, a black liquid that consists of organic and inorganic materials, including heavy metals and pathogens, is the most serious form of water pollution from landfills. Two potent greenhouse gases known as methane and carbon dioxide are the major gases that make up 90 to 98% of landfill gas, contributing to global warming and climate change. As most American cities and towns have trash collection services, most people pay little attention to the amount of waste they are discarding. By changing the way we view and handle our garbage every day, we can reduce the amount of waste that enters landfills. Reducing, reusing, and recycling are a few of the ways in which we can begin to help tackle the growing environmental problems we're facing today.